Okay, welcome back, guys. We have another question from chapter 4 of Beer and Johnston textbook. And we previously solved a question that we had two crates and each of them has a mass of 350 kilogram. And we know the weight of this pickup truck is 1400 kilogram, and we needed to determine the reactions at rear wheels and front wheels. And in this question, we need to solve the problem same as the previous one on one condition that the crate D is removed and the position of the crate C is unchanged. So it would be probably easier to follow up on this question. I'm going to put the link for the previous one in the description. You guys feel free to check that one out. And let's get started. So as always, we're going to start with the free body diagram. So we have this truck that has two wheels in here, two wheels in the back. We have the crate C in here, which obviously has a weight, and we have the total weight of the pickup truck, which we know the G is the center of gravity. Let's call this one WT. And since there is no crate D, so we don't need to consider, and we have reactions at front wheels and rear wheels. So since we have two wheels on at the front and two at the back, and we are asked to find the reaction on each of these two, so we simply call this one 2A, and A would represent each wheel, and we'll do 2B for the front wheels. What we need in here is that we need to figure out some distances in here. We know the distance from G to the back wheel is 1.8 meter, and we have distance from G to the front wheel 1.2, which are given in the question. So let's figure out the weight that we have in this question, and we're going to get to the other distances once we need it. So we have the weight of the crate C, which from the question we know that is 350 kilogram, and if we want to find the weight, we have mass times acceleration of gravity, which we know is 9.81 meter per second square. So we have 350 times 9.81 meter per square second, and that would give us 3.43 kilonewton. And if you want to find the weight of the truck, same thing. This time we have 1400 as mass times 9.81, and this will give us 13.73. So we're good to go with our equations. So what we are missing in here is A and B. So it makes sense to start with the moment equation, then we can cancel out one of the unknowns. So in order to eliminate, let's go with point B. So we're going to find the moment of all the forces about point B using the 2D shortcut that we have. I'm going to put the link for that 2D shortcut in the description below, you guys, in case you need to recap that shortcut. So we have the moment of the weight of crate C. So we'll have W, which we found 343 times the distance, and the distance that we need in here will be the distance from B to here. And if we want to find that distance, we simply have, so what we are interested is the distance from here to here, and the way that we can find this, we already know the distance from the front to the end of the truck, which is crate C. So we have 1.7 plus 2.8. And if you want to find the distance from B to here, we just need to subtract 0.75. And since the moment is counterclockwise, we have a positive sign. So that was the first part. Let's move on to the moment of the 2A. As we can see, 2A is going to make a clockwise moment, so we have a positive negative sign. So 2A times the distance for A will be 1.8 plus 1.2, which are givens in the question. And the last one is the moment of the weight of the truck. And that would be, then the distance is simply 1.2, and the moment is a counterclockwise moment, same as the weight of the crate C, so this will be positive 2, and this is equal to 0. We already have the amount for W and W3, and from here we can find one of the unknowns, which is the reaction at rear wheel. So will be 4.89 kilonewton, and this would be the direction. So we found one of the unknowns. There's only one left. We can either go with the moment about point A, or we can do the sum of all forces in y direction. And let's call this our positive direction for y. And what we have is we have 2A plus 2B minus W weight of crate, and the weight of the truck equals 0. Everything's known in here, so we have the weight of the truck minus 3.43 minus 13.73 for the weight of the truck, and we have 2 times A, which we found 4.89 plus 2B equals 0. And what we'll be finding here is the last unknown, or B, and that would be 3.69 kilonewton, and the force will be upward. And that would be the final answer for this question. Thanks for watching. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.